In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Zotero citations into Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in and make the process quick and easy. First, you'll need to have your Microsoft Word document open and ready. Begin by placing your cursor at the exact spot where you'd like the citation to appear. This is typically right after the text that you're referencing, so keep that in mind as you choose your location. Next, we'll head over to the Zotero tab in the Word ribbon. This tab is your gateway to effortlessly integrating your Zotero library with your document. Once you're there, look for the Add Edit Citation button. Give that button a click, and you'll be on your way to inserting your citation. If this happens to be your first citation in the document, Word will prompt you with a window. Here you'll select your citation style such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. Choosing the correct style from the beginning is crucial as it sets the tone for consistency throughout your entire document. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click OK. Now it's time to search for the source you want to cite. You'll notice a red Zotero search bar appearing in your document. This search bar acts like a direct link to your Zotero library. Begin typing out the title, author's name, or even the publication year of the source you're looking to cite. Zotero will start working its magic by displaying potential matches from your library as you type. When the correct source pops up, simply click on it to select it. Then, with a swift press of the Enter key, you will insert the citation into your document. Instantly, you'll see the formatted in-text citation appear, such as Smith 2024, in precisely the right spot. Remember, the beauty of using Zotero with Word lies in the seamless integration and the way it handles citation formatting for you. No more double checking every comma or worrying about the correct order of authors and publication dates. Zotero takes care of it all, making your writing not only more accurate, but also more efficient. There you have it. You've successfully inserted a Zotero citation into your Microsoft Word document. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your references with ease and maintain academic integrity throughout your work. Remember to repeat this process for each citation you need, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!